Here, I welcome to all my dear students. Today, we are going to learn contribution of MINTZBERG in development of management thought. So let's start with the contribution of MINTZBERG in development of management thoughts. Contribution of MINTZBERG in development of management thoughts. The managerial roles approach has been popularized by MINTZBERG. This approach suggests that for knowing the roles of managers, their activities must be observed. Systematically studying the activities of 5 managers in a variety of companies, MINTZBERG concluded that managers do not perform classical function. For example, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Instead, manager performs a variety of activities. In this slide, now we will discuss 10 roles of MINTZBERG. The first is interpersonal roles. The first subpoint is figurehead. Includes symbolic duties which are legal or social in nature. Second is leader. All aspect of a good leader. This involves building a team, coaching the members, and motivating them, developing the strong relationship. Third is liaison. Includes developing and maintaining a network outside the office for information and assistance. Second role of informational roles. The first subpoint is monitor. Includes seeking information regarding the issues that affecting the organization. This includes internal as well as external information. Next point is this monitor receiving any important information from internal or external sources. The same needs are transmitted within the organization. Next point is spokesperson. The person include representing the organization and providing information about the organization. The next point is decisional roles. The first is entrepreneur roles. Involves all aspects associated with acting as a designer and also encourager of innovation and change. Second is disturbance handler. The corrective action when the organization faces unexpected difficulties are important in nature. Next is resource allocator. The responsible for the optimum allocation of resources like equipment, funds, time, and human resource. Next point is negotiator. Representing the organization in negotiation that affect the manager's scope of responsibility. In this slide, now we will discuss assumptions, various assumptions. The first is this approach disregards the traditional functional approach, which states that management is a process of function and every manager must perform the basic function of management. For example, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Second is this approach assumes that all managers have formal authority as well as status in the organization. Authority and status create facilities, relationship with subordinates. In this relationship, authority and develop different related roles to the managers. Last is, it believes that the best approach to study management is to study what managers actually do. This approach that for studying management, the role of a manager performance must be carefully and observe. In this slide, now we will discuss contributions of MINTZBERG. First is, it points out the importance of time management. Without performing all the 10 roles within the time, no manager can success. Second is, it makes it clear that no team of managers can function effectively if any of these roles are neglected. It is based on reality. It describes managers actually do rather than what managers are supposed to do. Next is, it explains the activities of managers and their relationship with each other. So, these were the various contributions of MINTZBERG. In this slide, criticism on MINTZBERG work. This approach was criticized on the various grounds. The first is, it is based on the observation of managers' activities on the job. Second is, it focuses on the observable activities of managers rather than on the reason for these activities. And last is, it does not serve various purposes better than the functional approaches. In spite of this criticism, the manager roles approach is very significant. Thank you.